Hey guys, it is Saknilap, benevolent deliverer of shapes, nets, and surface area. Today we're going to be doing a shape that you are quite familiar with called a rectangular prism, and I'm going to give you a great method to find the surface area of this rectangular prism. Now there's some things that are the same with a cube and some things that are different. Now, you'll notice that this shape has 6 faces like a cube, 12 edges like a cube, 8 vertices like a cube, and 0 curved surfaces like a cube. But a big difference is not all the faces are congruent or the same. So here is the star of our show, the rectangular prism. Okay? I'm going to use a method I like to refer to as the Saknilap doubles method, and I'm going to show you how that works on the second half of today's video. We have to move over to Saknilap Studio 2 to get this done properly. So let's move over to Saknilap Studio 2 right now. There she is. Saknilap Studio 2. Let's see if we can zoom in a little. Make this clearer. Oh yes, we can. All right, so here we are. We have our net for the rectangular prism. Now I've labeled them so it's clear to see the different parts. C, there's a top and a bottom. Top and bottom. A, front and back. Front and back. B, side, side. Notice 4, 2, and 2. So the first things I'd like to have kids do is to properly label this shape. So what I'm going to do is I know in a rectangular prism that the opposite sides, opposite edges are congruent. So I'm going to start labeling. 2, so that has to be 2 as well. Well, if that's 2, that has to be 2 as well. Okay, so let's look at our 4. If this is 4, then this has to be 4. And if this is 4, then this has to be 4 as well. All right. If this is 2, then this has to be 2. And if this is 2, then that, it's already labeled. Silly boy. Okay, so now we are 100% labeled. So this is where Saknilap's doubles method comes in. Let's look at A first. A dimensions are 4 and 2. So 4 times 2. Now that 2 is not the doubles part. I'm going to show you what the doubles is. We know that 4 times 2 is 8, but I know there's 2 of them. There's a front and a back. A front and a back. So if this is 8, then this is 8 as well. I'm going to cross this off because I know I'm done with it. 8 times 2 is 16. So our A faces add 16 to the surface area. So let's look at our B faces. Well, B is 4 times 2 as well. 4 times 2 equals 8. Well, I know there's 2 of them, right? So 8 times 2, or 2 sets of 8, it doesn't really matter due to the commutative property, equals 16. So this is 8, and this is 8. So we now add 16 more to the surface area of our net. Now we have one more side. That's our C. Well, our C is 2 by 2. which is 4. But we know there's 2 of them. So 4 times 2, or 2 times 4, equals 8. So we are going to add our C, which is 8. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 8 equals 40. So the surface area of our entire net is 40 square units. Good luck, guys, and don't get nervous if you see decimals. Same thing. Good luck. Have fun.